Sawubona Morero, nama-tribalist esoloko block amaZulu from advancing in the city of Johannesburg. The story is long and old. We know what happened. So siyabonga sokhona abozumeni ba-co-optile to cover up the tribalism that has been rife in Johannesburg, targeting the Zulu people from 1994 actually, where it's a lot which happened, but it's not the purpose of this video. You can see that even in terms of RDP allocations, where Zulus hardly got RDPs, just a small screen cover up. But if you were to follow demographics, you would see that Zulus were being sidelined from RDPs. Also, Zulus are people who hate slums or naturally. Siyayibona le nto lamaZulu asegcwalisa imijondolo go Durban, but originally Zulu people are people who hated slums and would rather be staying in hostels than in slums. And then the people who created slums originally were Xhosa people, and then later on that got taken over by Shangans of Limpopo, stroke Bedis, therefore vendors as well. Now, where by the time we got to 1994, ABC iranwa amaXhosa namashangana indaba yemikhukhu le evele iqhume noma ikuphi. Now here's the interesting thing that you're saying to the Zulus in my uthi ake ufike endaweni yomuntu vele uhlome into yakho, as you indicate ukuthi my property ka City of Johannesburg. Wonderful. You know, angiyayithanda mina language enjalo. Manje ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ke basafunana abantu abama-foreigners e-City of Johannesburg ngoba phela bangena endaweni yethu bengenalo ilungelo. Yabona-ke ngendlela kulula ngakhona because amaZulu akithi ayohlonipha umthetho ukuthi uqhaqhe ama-structures obokuyikhathi bewafaka, because amaZulu have always observed the law. Therefore, that is why belokhu behlele emahostela bengakhandi imikhukhu, because they understand ukuthi ngeke uvele ufike uthathe umhlaba ongasiwo wakho. That is why Zulus are hardly in slums. And they got punished for not being in slums, also because the ANC hates hostels because of their history of the ANC and DA, which said amaZulu as a hostel kadabulala abantu. So we know why the City of Johannesburg run by Limpopo and run by Limpopo and Sowetans sideline Zulus. We know. All right. So now, ma umuntu ehleli ehostel anizange nim-allocate i-RDP, but use-hostel in the same way labantu benu bebefika behlome imikhukhu elentuza kuma-open space, bavele bafika bayithathela ama-open space, bahlome imikhukhu, nabavikela bahlome imikhukhu. Yonke le mikhukhu, it is in somebody's property. Why yona ningayidilisi? Le gcwele iyagcwala ama-Mozambican ney'hlobo zaseMozambique, ungakhathazeki ngenxa yaleyo mikhukhu. Omzala bethu baye bagcina bejolana nama-Mozambican baba ney'ngane, yazona. So lalela bhuti, nayo imikhukhu igcwele all over, ngisho nase-City of Johannesburg i-chaos. So lento ishilo kwaMaimai, it applies in the country as a whole. So umbuzo wami uthi afunani ama-illegal immigrants kuyimanje? Mangabe kulula kanjalo kwaMaimai, asafunana ama-illegal immigrants in this country at this point, because umhlaba wethu lo angeke isifike isivele sizofika sithathe umsebenzi wami, ispace sami sokudayisa, sithathe ama-businesses ami and everything, bese nisitshela ngama-human rights. Nani niyaqaqa lapha elentuza zikaMaimai. I love that. Qhaqani impela izinto ezingama-structures angekho semthethweni, but kahle hle engathi ni-prioritize leya than the actual people whom you were supposed to prioritize. There's millions and millions of blacks who have broken the laws in terms of establishing illegal structures way before my even started that. Those illegal structures are still standing. La emalokishini ethu kugcwele imikhukhu. Imikhukhu are illegal structures, even if they are in private property. They are illegal structures. But even in open lands, naku la ungeza ko Soweto uzothola amagceke anabangani benu abagcwalisa ama-foreigner abayasikhandela imikhukhu or in spaces which belong to the city of Johannesburg. Ngicela ukubona ugandaganda wenu uzongiqoqela la esinawana because kunama-structures kunama-area agcwele ama-foreigner la. Ake nifike-ke phela because lawo ma-structures or la ma-structure la, they are older than into eyenziwa abantu baseMai-Mai. We've been complaining about these structures, which also creates amagundane and everything for us. Ankaze ninama-excuse ukuba-protecta labantu benu. Send kwa-Mai-Mai. Wow, naze nabajump abantu abaningi kanje bama-illegal structures. Nikwa-Mai-Mai. It's an agenda. It's an agenda yokuthi I'm sure nabo Malema lapho. Akuve niyitshela ukuthi niyabo clever, akuve niyitshela ukuthi amaZulu azidomu. Kodwa ke phela icacile ukuthi why nikwa-Mai-Mai. You understand, because nakho is amaZulu, you are mobilizer ukuthi ukuxosha ama-foreigner. That's the reason kwa-Mai-Mai. Ubuclever benu-ke bantu benkosi bu-destroy South Africa. Ngithi thina sidome Zulu sinina ni-clever. And noting also ukuthi yeah, you think leyo, but we know ukuthi you intentionally did not allocate RDP houses for most Zulus. And if you go to the demographics of RDP areas, they are not the same as demographics of original townships. That is called bias. So you brought people from other provinces, especially Limpopo, also as the Eastern Cape continued to occupy spaces to change the demographics of those areas. Tembisa and them, Ivory Park, we knew what was the agenda. And then Johannesburg Limpopo, capital of Gauteng. That was the agenda, of course. And then you abantu abathathe indawo okungasiza zabo kodwa nabayeka futhi naba-encourage. And then excuse me, nalanda ama-Mozambique angakanani kwase kuqhamuka nama-Zimbabwe kuneCongo khona lapho. Dilizani phela nabo ba-occupy ispace okungasesabo, ba-erect ama-structure e-property okungasiyo eyabo. Dilizani bonke. Anikwazi ukuyoqala nokushesha kwa-Mai-Mai indawo ebeyi, I would say in all markets that I walked in Johannesburg, ngahambile ama-market mina. Mai-Mai was the cleanest market in the city of Johannesburg compared to all these pigsty markets ebezigcwelela ama-foreigner in. All right, so I would have I don't have a problem, but I can see that the intentions, they are biased. They are biased. But yeah, klinani kwa-Mai-Mai, but klinani bekufuze niqale kuqala ngama old time ngathini breakers of the law who even now are sitting comfortably in Soweto, occupying spaces and having horrible structures erected there, which you are supposed to attend to. Masithumela abantu ukuthi basibuzele as imiphakathi affected ngala ma-structures aseceleni kwemizi yasemakithi. Nina, exactly you protect those people who are running those structures. Nithi hayi ukuthi besingakabi nento esingayenza ngaleyo area, so i-agreement yethu nalowo muntu yilokhu nalokhu, kukhona imali ayibhadalayo kithina. Oh wonderful, khona imali ayibhadalayo kini namsho niyedla nonke, and then thina-ke siyakhinyabezeka kuba ngathi kusemkhukhwini emalokishini ethu. Yilawo abantu ebefuze niqale ngabo kudala baqala ukusihlupha. Mai-Mai, actually eMai-Mai eceleni kwakhona akumalawisi to come as to go. Angibona baba, yabona le flat la ngangilahamba la eceleni kwaseMai-Mai, kudala ngihambe eMai-Mai la yiseMalawi. Yabona kulelo flat lilodwa nganginomngane waseMalawi lapho waye clean ngaphandle, then mawufika lapha ehlala khona uyingulube, as typical as they are. So ngiyamvakashela ngelanga uMax and then ufuna ukuphekela mina ukudla ngathi mina uhlala ufika kwami eOmonde View ubonile ukuthi kuhleni kanjani angikudla ukudla okuphekela endaweni engcole kanje. I'm direct ngomZulu ke mina, so straightforward. Angeke ngenzele umuntu ifavor ngento ezongena kulo mlomo wami. Uhlala endaweni engcolweni ayizukungena kulo wami umlomo. Ngithi uhlala kanjani, nihlala niyacabezela nifaka namaglycerin emakhanda nihlala endaweni engcole kanje. That was right against next to my nibaqoqa nini bona abantu bakini baseMalawi nibaqoqa nini ngcolile lapha. It's a pigsty. All those flats kuyoshona amaZulu ajoyine late ekujoyineni ngathi lokho kungcola kulapha amaZulu beloku eqoqele lokho ezabo ukuhlala ema-hostel. Phela ukuhlala e-hostel is legal, so they were trying not to break the law, but after many years of the hate they ended up establishing slums njengoba sobona ko-GP Julie Street sokwagcwala imikhukhu engaka. That came very late. Bekhathele ukulinda, but namanje anibakheli ama-RDP namanje. Crime is crime, but i-priority iyakhombisa i-justice targeting nene-agenda.